how to do things, flow of activity. I mean, if you observe things in life, you will see the underlying patterns are similar in different activities. For example, breakfast preparation, college recruiting, sales training, and compiler design. I mean, all of these look to be different activities in different fields. One is in restaurant, another is related to college, another is related to sales training, and fourth one is computer design. So once you try to zoom in, then you will see that the flow of activity is similar, as in all of these consist of same three things as we discussed in the earlier videos. They all have some process, they all have some type of assembly step, and they all have some type of test. Now, why am I sharing this with you? The question is important because I look things as having systems. I mean, there are patterns in human life. Human life is not chaotic, especially societal design is not chaotic. There are patterns, and if you could look though, and if you could see those patterns, you can do fairly well in human society. So ever since I was small, I would see those patterns, but I would not be able to articulate those things. That why are things the way they are? I mean, small systems you will see in different parts of life, and I wonder, was there a system that connected, or was there a flow of things that connected uh, or explained all of these activities? As I grew, I mean, I started realizing that there is a sort of similar flow for most of the activities in human life. I mean, people cannot function under chaos. So, I mean, society designs itself, or some people who lead society design these activities so that other humans can comfortably understand and follow steps and survive. So, more and more, I came to this conclusion that there are systems, there are flow of things underlying what is apparently visible. I mean, and there are reasons why things happen the way they happen in human society. I'm not talking about nature, but in human society, because designers of society have tried to keep it, you know, as clear and simple for other humans to follow things or rules or systems. So that deduction that there are systems around us that might not know, but there are systems, and if you work on it diligently, you will see those systems. So this is one example of that. There is no similarity in reality in breakfast preparation, college recruiting, sales training, and mm, computer design. If you look from above, as in if you do not carefully see what all these steps are, then you will see that these are completely different activities, but actually underlying procedure is similar, even though the type of things that these are different. If you happen to understand computer science, the class level solution is same, instance is different. So that is the genius of high output management or Andrew Groove. It made me believe, it gave me further evidence that my hunch is actually right, that there are underlying similar patterns in different types of activities, which once you understand could actually do those things fairly well. So those underlying principles, those simple patterns, is what I was looking for, and I empowered my sense of intuition. I would say it's become really powerful that I understand there are these systems, underlying systems, which you could understand and do well in different fields of human existence. And I'm pretty sure there must be more patterns. There must be uh, underlying patterns there in society which are not apparently visible or nobody would tell you, but there are systems. If you zoom in carefully, if you see them, you can understand those patterns and you can use those patterns for your advantage to get ahead in life. That's one type of secret that I have come to understand. And Peter Thiel was sort of correct. Society has a lot of secrets that the new generation has to figure out and make sense of those things so that they can better use to make things better in human existence.